Let's talk about the Credentials tab in Arive's admin settings. Let's jump into it. The Admin Credentials tab is going to look very similar to your individual User Credentials tab. There's an important implied difference. Credentials that you enter here at the company level will be used by default for everyone. Now, if someone enters in their own individual credentials, those should override the company credentials. But if you intend for everyone to use the same credentials for a AUS or for DocMagic or for your credit account, it's important that you put it in here versus in the individual user setting. Looking up here at the top, we have 4 tabs. They're going to walk through exactly what they are. You have your credit account logins, your DU logins, your LPA logins, and your DocMagic logins. Now, credit account is going to be where you set up your specific account with your credit provider. It's going to be any credit provider that's supported by Arive. And you're going to notice when you add a new account, it will ask you which credit provider you want to specify, as well as your username and password. Remember that you do need to set this up with separate accounts for your hard pull and soft pull. Arive doesn't currently support doing the different types with one account. Next, we go to AUS/DU. Keep in mind, you can enter these credentials and also add them specifically to a lender. Same deal with LPA, except these are going to be one credential, not lender-specific options, but exactly as you'd enter it in somewhere else. We specify the username, password, role. At the end here is DocMagic. At the time of recording for this video, DocMagic isn't necessary for you to accomplish some of the things that you're doing in Arive. Arive has launched their own native e-sign platform, Arive eSign, and so you may not find yourself using DocMagic much anymore. If you are going to use DocMagic, or DocMagic needs to be the default, you will need to enter credentials here. However, if you intend for all users to use Arive eSign, it is a good idea to remove and not have any credentials here and prevent users from accidentally defaulting to using DocMagic. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you rely on these videos to stay up to date, consider supporting the channel using the link down in the description. See you next time.